Hi everyone, this is Shireen Purewal bringing you the latest real estate update here in Victoria, BC and British Columbia. All right, so what's going on in the global economy, these wars, how's that going to impact real estate prices, what's happening? For those of you who watch my videos, what do I say all the time? Inflation, inflation, inflation. Guys, if you are not on to understanding that our money continuously is losing value. Yes, here in Canada too. Are we exporting enough goods to support the value of our dollar? We're not. They said, what is it that they're spending per hour? Some ridiculous like $10 million an hour on this war. What's financing that? They're just printing more money. So how's that going to affect real estate prices here in Victoria, and how's that going to affect prices in general? In my opinion, you want to hedge inflation. Cash is becoming worthless, essentially, is what's happening. And because it's becoming worthless, the one tool the Bank of Canada has to control cash losing its value is they increase interest rates. When they increase interest rates, it becomes harder to buy real estate. When it becomes harder to buy real estate, what happens is real estate prices tend to cool. But there's another force that's holding real estate prices. It's inflation. For me to rebuild that same house, I can't do it at that price anymore. So suppose a house now is, the land value may go down, but the house itself will go up in value, because if I want to rebuild that same house, the price of fuel's gone up. The price of cost of living's gone up. I need more dollars to be able to buy the same thing as before because dollar's losing its value. So yes, inflation may cool, but it won't drop that much because there's still a force holding that up. It's like gold. Okay, yes, gold cooled down, but ultimately, in my opinion, gold prices are going to go up because currency is continuously being printed and printed and printed until the Canadian economy has value in its currency. Okay, it'll go up, but right now in the world, like the US, what is it? Walmart's valuation is the same as how much reserves there are for the US dollar. Come on, guys. The stock market right now is experiencing its worst, streak since 2022. So where do you put your cash? Where is a safe place to put your cash? Ultimately, in your home, right? Your home. And what's a necessity for you? You need food. You need a roof over your head. And these things, okay, they'll cool down, but in the next 10 cycle, it'll go back up. Because why? Currency's losing its value. So look at home prices over the last 100 years. Have they gone down? They go up, maybe a little correction, go up, little correction, move sideways. But it's always upward trending. Why is it always upward trending? It's always upward trending because we keep printing money. Central banks, the whole monetary system is around printing more money. Now, you guys are like, great, thanks for the market update. All right, I want to buy a home in Victoria. What's the deal? Right now, it's a buyer's market, guys. Victoria's held prices really well. Unlike Vancouver, unlike Toronto, Victoria's done well. And I'll tell you why. We're an island. How much more land can we make here? How much more supply can we make here? And the weather here is by far, I call it the Hawaii of Canada. The weather here is the warmest weather in Canada all year round. In fact, we barely had, I don't even think we had a day of snow this year. So for Canada, wow, that's unheard of. So we have beautiful weather here. We have a retirement hub. So imagine the whole of Canada wanting to retire here in this beautiful weather, the only best weather in the whole of Canada, one of the only few places. So yes, there's a lot of demand, and it's a small island. There's only so much land we have here in these beautiful islands, and it's the Garden City of Canada. It's phenomenally beautiful. So yes, you're going to see high demand that's holding these prices high. We're not cooling down like Vancouver. We're not dropping like Toronto. We're holding steady. In fact, there's some places they're pricing it well. They're getting multiple offers. So we're not seeing prices drop like the rest of Canada. So in my opinion, if you want to hedge your money, and I've said this,